The start-stop system in your Skoda Fabia III from 2014 to 2021 automatically shuts off the engine when you're stationary, like at a red light, to save fuel. This segment explains how to control this feature. The start-stop system activates when the vehicle comes to a complete stop. For the engine to shut off, several conditions must be met. The brake pedal must be pressed, the transmission should be in neutral or drive, the battery charge must be above 70%, and the vehicle speed must be 0 kilometers per hour. Once these conditions are satisfied, the engine automatically shuts off after 1 to 2 seconds. This process is managed by the vehicle's engine control unit, which monitors all systems to ensure safety and proper operation. The engine restarts instantly when the driver releases the brake pedal or engages the clutch. This quick restart, taking less than half a second, is powered by the starter motor and ensures the vehicle remains responsive. The system integrates with the battery management system to monitor charge levels. By automatically shutting off the engine during idle periods, it significantly reduces fuel consumption and harmful emissions, contributing to more efficient and environmentally friendly driving. To turn the start-stop system on or off, locate the Auto Stop button on your center console. This button features an A icon inside a circle and is typically near the gear shifter. Pressing this button toggles the system on or off. A simple press switches between active and inactive states. The instrument cluster shows the system's status with an indicator light. A green A means the start-stop system is active, while a gray or crossed-out A indicates it's turned off. If your Fabia III has the Skoda Virtual Cockpit system, typically found in models from 2017 onwards, you can control the start-stop feature through the touchscreen interface. To adjust the settings, navigate through the infotainment menu. Start by selecting the Settings option, then Vehicle, and finally Start-Stop to enable or disable the system. Pay attention to the green A icon on your instrument cluster. When lit, the start-stop system is active and will shut off the engine when you come to a stop. When the icon is gray or has a line through it, the system is disabled and the engine will continue to run. The start-stop system has certain limitations to ensure vehicle safety and performance. It won't activate in very cold weather below 0 degrees Celsius. It also won't activate if the battery charge is too low. Sometimes it won't activate during heavy air conditioning use. These limitations are designed to protect the engine and battery from potential damage. Enabling the start-stop system can save you 5 to 10% on fuel consumption during city driving. It also reduces carbon dioxide emissions, contributing to better eco-driving practices and helping meet environmental standards. However, frequent start-stop cycles can potentially shorten battery life, with some users reporting reduced battery lifespan. Disabling the system offers a smoother driving experience, but increases fuel consumption by 5 to 10%. There may also be minor noise or vibration issues in some cases. Automotive engineers from manufacturers like Skoda praise the start-stop system for effectively reducing urban pollution and emissions in city driving conditions. Studies, such as a 2024 analysis by the Automotive Research Association of India, demonstrate that fuel consumption drops by about 6.5% in stop-and-go traffic when the start-stop system is enabled. To determine if the benefits suit your needs, experiment with the system and see if the fuel savings outweigh any minor inconveniences for your typical driving style.